It was an emotional day of testimony inside a Texas court today, where women challenging the state's 6-week abortion ban shared their own experiences of being denied an abortion despite having medical complications. Among them, Ashley Brandt. She said she had to travel out of state after learning one of her twins was unviable and could risk the life of her other child. Listen.
I would have had to watch twin A, Isla, deteriorate more and more every ultrasound. Sorry. I would have had to give birth to an identical version of my daughter without a skull and without a brain. And I would have had to hold her until she died.
Texas currently has one of the strictest bans in the country, only allowing for abortions in circumstances when the life of the mother is at risk. But the women in this lawsuit allege that law is much too vague and say it failed to protect them. NBC's Lindsey Reiser is following this story closely for us. Hey, Lindsey.
Hi there. Well, it was an emotional day of testimony in an Austin courtroom today. We have about 15 plaintiffs who filed a lawsuit with the Center for Reproductive Rights in March against the state of Texas and their 6-week abortion ban. And according to the ban, there is an exception for the pregnant person if their life is at risk. But some people are saying that the wording is too vague and doctors are afraid to perform abortion care even in those dire circumstances. They risk losing their medical license. They can face up to a $100,000 fine, even up to 99 years in jail if they are found to violate this law. So we're going to put up some names here of the 5 plaintiffs that we're going to hear from in these 2 days of testimony. One mother gave an incredibly detailed, emotional, even graphic description of what happened. While she was pregnant, she was told that her pregnancy was not viable, that her baby had a 0% chance of surviving because the baby's head, skull, and brain weren't fully formed. This is what she told the courtroom.
She told me that I didn't have any options because there was a law that the Texas abortion law prohibited it. I wasn't able to get one. So I felt like I was abandoned. I felt like.
Thanks for watching our YouTube channel. Follow today's top stories and breaking news by downloading the NBC News app.